Welcome. In front of me is an iPad, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we will swipe down from the top right side where you have things like your battery and Wi-Fi connection, and this will show the control center. In here, you'll find your Do Not Disturb mode is right over here. Now by default, it actually will look like this. So to enable the actual Do Not Disturb mode, you would hold the text right here, and this will take you to the bunch of other options you have access to, which one of them would be the Do Not Disturb mode. Now before I actually enable it, I'm going to start off by going into the three dots right here and talking about number one, the options that are visible right here. So you can have it enable either for 1 hour until this evening or until I leave this location, which are pretty actually nice options for managing the Do Not Disturb mode. I can also navigate to the settings from here very quickly and then customize the mode as you see fit. Though I do want to clarify there's not much options in here. Now from there, assuming you want to use it manually, as in the settings you could select a fully automatic schedule, so the device would do everything for you, meaning turn it on and off at a provided time. But if you want to do it manually, you can just click on the text and then just select the Do Not Disturb mode, click on it, and that's about it. Now when you enable it, it will change the icon right here to the Do Not Disturb mode, so you don't need to click on the text to turn it on or off. You can just click on the icon, and you can do that again later on as well, as long as you don't want to change to some other mode that you have right here, like work, personal, or whatever else. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.